In a few weeks, we're moving. I was going through all of my old stuff in shelves and I found something. And if you've been following this channel for a bit, you know that one of my holy grail miniatures, the unicorns in the sky, is the Thunderhawk made out of metal. Limited edition, made in 1997. It's like 10 kilos of pure metal. And one thing that really broke my heart was that 6 months ago, this one sold on eBay for £5,100, which technically I think would make it the most expensive Warhammer model ever sold. And one of these old books has something interesting. It is the order form where you fill in your card number, your address, and you even have to confirm that you're barking mad to order this one. So I guess we have to fill out the form and see if we can actually get one still. I mean, there's nothing that says that the offer is gonna expire at a certain date. So if we send it in and they charge our card £400, then maybe we'll get a Thunderhawk. So guys, it's posted. All we can do now is wait. You guys are not gonna believe what I just picked up. Let's open it together another day.